Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to play the famous foot tapper by THESHADOWS on acoustic guitar. Now let's start the first phase. The fifth fret on G string and the fifth fret on B string, then G string, fifth, 4, 2, then G string on 2 and 5th, then G string 2 and D string 5th and 3, then D string on 3 and G string on 5th, then G string on 2 and D string on 5th. So once again the total phrase. Then once again. Then the next phrase, G string open and B string 1 and B string 3, B string 1, then B string 3, 4 and 5 and E string on 3, then E string on 5th and E string on 3. Then D string on 5th, G string on 5th and B string on 5th, B string on 3. No? Then D string on 4th and 5th, then G string on 2 and B string on 3, and the E string on 5th and 3. D string on 5th, G string on 5th and B string on 3, then G string on 3. So look carefully. Once again. And then once again, same, B string on 3, 4, 5 and G string on E string on 3 and E string on 5th and 3. Then E string on 1, E string open, then B string on 3 and 1, then B string open, E string 2 and B string open. And the another phrase, so all the notes are same. The landing note on G5, D string 5th fret, then D string on 5 and 2 and A string on 3. So Now the double stop on bass string. Yes, this is very easy. You know, the A string on 10th and the E string on 12th, the first. Then the A string on 8 and the E string on 10. Then A string on 7 and E string on 8. Then A string on 5 and E string on 7. And the both are on A string and E string on 3rd fret. So the A string on 8 and the E string on 10th and A string on 7 and E string on 8. So look carefully once again. And another phrase. This is the landing. Once again. You have to play this on bass string only. This is the first phrase and the second phrase. And then the A string on 3, 5 and the D string on 2. Then E string on 5th. And another A string 3, A string 5th and D string 2 and the E string 1. So and then A string on A 3, 5 and D string on 2. Then A string on 5th. Once again. And the A string, E string on 5th, A string on 2, 3, 5. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. On A string. The D string 5. Look. Then the previous part. You can play here also. And the another bass part. There's the A string on 3, 5th and the D string on 2. A string on 5th. Then A string 5th and D string 2 and 3 and the D string on 2. So and then 4 string 2, 3, 5 D string 2, 3, 5 landing on 3 and then reverse D string on 3, 2 and A string on 5. The E string on 2. Then D D string on 2, A string on 5 and 3, and last A string on 5, 3, 2. The E string on 3 and A string on 3.